He told me to shoot him 7 times. That's the exact confession made by one of the key state witnesses against the alleged underworld criminal and cartel boss, Captain Matlala. After he failed to get himself out on bail and his trick alongside IDAC to become a state witness failed him, he thought taking the case head-on will be a better option, but things are falling apart. What happened in court today was beyond mind-blowing, and his lawyer couldn't even defend him when the witness started making shocking confessions during his cross-examinations. He gave a detailed story of how everything happened, what triggered the Joe Ferrari Sibagnoni assassination deal, why Matlala's ex was nearly killed, and how the whole incident failed. This is the clearest confession that has thrown the case into a clear air for the entire public. Matlala is a big criminal, and hopefully he will be jailed. When we see those finding one way or the other to implicate our national hero, Lieutenant Mkhwanazi, failing, we always celebrate their downfall. If you are a fan of Mkhwanazi and believe that Cap Matlala must be sentenced to life imprisonment for stealing funds meant to treat poor patients at the Tembisa Hospital, then hit the like button, comment, send him to CMAX, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.
Mr. Roll, hear you just in a moment. Should I just get the name of the witness first, if you don't mind?
Yes, my lord. I just want to address the aspect with regard to the media quickly.
Okay, yes.
My lord, this witness is in the same position as the previous witness, Captain Sekgobela.
Yes.
So my request to this court is based on the same principles.
Yes.
That in view of the line of work that he is in, the section that he is attached to,
yes,
that in line of that, my lord, his face should not be shown.
And accordingly, if I understand it, as previously agreed in respect to Captain Sekgobela, that the witness is not averse to having an audio stream of his evidence, but no video footage of himself.
That is my request, my lord.
Okay. Mr. Hassan, sir?
No objection.
Thank you. Mr. Fulvia?
No objection, my lord.
Thank you. The state brings an application at the commencement of this witness, one Captain Tetsi, for only the audio stream to be captured in respect of the evidence of this witness and not the video, due to the fact that of the security concerns he has and the nature of the work he does with the tactical response team of the South African Police Services. The application is not opposed by counsel, and accordingly the application for the audio stream of this witness and no video footage is hereby granted. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord.
So what are your full names?
Tumelo Thomas Tsotitsi.
What's your first name?
Tumelo.
Tumelo, T-H-U-M-E-L-O.
Yes.
T-U.
T.U.
T-U. Your rank is still captain.
I'm a lieutenant colonel now.
Lieutenant Colonel, thank you so much for that. Lieutenant Colonel Tumelo Thomas Sotetsi.
Yes, ma'am.
If I understand, your surname is T-S-O-T-E-T-S-I.
That is correct.
So tet C.
That is correct. So 30.
Eh?
So 30.
Yeah, thank you. Lieutenant Colonel, what language are you going to be testifying in?
In isiZulu.
isiZulu. Yeah, I was just being cautious about your surname, because I don't want anyone to refer to you during the course of the proceedings to mispronounce your surname and call you Tsotsi. Good. Lieutenant Colonel, do you have any objection to taking the prescribed oath?
No.
Now, just for the purposes of the commencement, I'll proceed in English, and then he can thereafter proceed in isiZulu. Do you have any objection to taking the prescribed oath?
No, I do not.
And if you take the prescribed oath, would you consider it to be binding on your conscience?
Yes.
Can you please raise your right hand and say the following? I swear
I swear
that the evidence that I shall give
that the evidence that I shall give
shall be the truth,
shall be the truth,
the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Excellent. Lieutenant Colonel, with your rank, you have had occasion to give evidence in a court of law previously, am I correct?
Yes, madam.
Yeah. And it's not necessary for this court then to explain the process and the procedure relating to you giving evidence, am I correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Can I just also invite you, don't stress about drawing yourself closer to the microphone. Just sit where you are. It will record your voice, okay?
Thank you.
All right, good. So you will see that there's a microphone in front of you, the one with the red light. That microphone records your evidence. So you must please speak loudly and clearly, and you must verbalize each and every response of yours. So although this piece of equipment is highly sophisticated, what it simply cannot do, it cannot record gestures. So if you shake or you nod your head, it's not going to record it. So you must verbalize each response. Do you understand?
I understand.
Excellent. The next thing the court wants to indicate to you is you must please give your evidence in small sections so as to allow the interpreter the opportunity to be able to interpret what you are telling us, and also to give the court and counsel the opportunity to write down what you in fact are testifying about. You understand?
Understood.
The next thing the court wants to say to you is that at any time during the course of your testimony, if you so desire to take a comfort break, please inform the court, and the court will accordingly assist you. Do you understand?
I understand.
And lastly, you're more than welcome to take a seat during the course of your evidence. Would you like to take a seat?
Yes,
or would you like to remain seated?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Are you comfortable?
I am comfortable.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Do we have your permission to continue?
Yes, let's continue.
I just want to say to you one more thing that I didn't say to you earlier on, is that you must listen very carefully to the questions that are being put to you by counsel for the state, as well as all the counsel for the accused persons, the defense counsel. If there's anything at all that you do not understand in the questions either put by counsel for the state or defense counsel, please remember, at all material times, you enjoy the right unto yourself to say to them, please repeat the question in order that it becomes clearer to you so that you may react thereto properly. You understand?
Yes, madam.
Right. Now that I've explained this to you, are you even more comfortable?
I am comfortable.
Good. Excellent. Can we start?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Ms. Little, your witness is properly sworn in. We may now commence the evidence.
Thank you. Thank you, my lord. Colonel, is it correct, sir, that at the time of this incident, the 17th of April, 2024, you were a captain in the South African police and attached to the Gauteng Tactical Response Team? Is that correct, sir?
ngesikhathi kwenzeka lesi sigameko esilethe enkantolo namhlanje sizothula ubufakazi ngomhla ka-17 April 2024 wena ubukade usaphethe isikhundla sokuba yikapteni emaphoyiseni wala eNingizimu Afrika futhi-ke usebenzela i-Gauteng Tactical Response Team.
Yebo kunjalo.
That is correct.
And is it in this capacity that you joined Captain Sekgobela at the time on that day?
ngabe ilapho-ke wena uye wahlangana khona no-Captain Sekgobela niyoyenza-ke umsebenzi wenu ngaphansi komsebenzi wakho walolo suku.
Yebo kunjalo.
Correct?
I want you to tell now, in your own words, from the beginning, how did it happen, and where and when did you join Captain Sekgobela on that day, please?
Ngawakha kwamagama Colonel ngicela ukuchazela inkantolo kancane kancane ukuthi kuze kanjani futhi ngihlangane phi no-Captain Sekgobela sikhathi sini.
Ngalelo langa ngangisendleleni ngiya emsebenzini.
On the day I was on my way to work,
Ngase ngithola ucingo from ku Captain Sekgobela.
I then received a call from Captain Sekgobela
What time was that?
from Spatsini.
Ngingathi kwakula kubo 8.
I would say around 8.
Wabese engitshela ukuthi kube nesigameko sokubulala esenzeke eFernageng.
Then informed me that there was a murder incident that transpired in Vereeniging.
Lapho khona abasolwa bebahamba ngemoto eHyundai i20
Where the suspects were traveling in a Hyundai i20 motor vehicle
nemoto eMercedes Benz.
and a Mercedes Benz.
Yes.
And we wathi kusolakala ukuthi abasolwa basendaweni yase Q eBremby.
He also said it is suspected that the suspects are in Q, which is in Bradley.
Wabese engicela ukuthi ngisondele ngizojoin i-team.
He then asked that I come and join the team.
Ngoba ngangekho kude nalapha babekhona ngase sengiya driver ngishona endaweni yase Bremby.
Because I was not far from where they were, I then drove and went to Bradley.
Yes.
Wayengithumelele ilocation ngefone.
He had sent me a location by cell phone.
Ngase sengifika ke endaweni lapha babeme khona.
Then arrived at the place where they had stopped.
So the location of which place is there?
We have too many locations.
You don't have to specify. I just want to know what was the purpose of this location that we sent to you. What?
Noma ngachazanga kodwa isizathu sokuthi akuthumele location ngoba lekuyini.
Kwakuyindawo lapho babezo sibambela khona ibriefing.
The location was for a place where we're going to have our briefing.
Ifikileke kuleyo ndawo ngathola uCaptain Sekgobela namanye amamember.
I arrived at the briefing spot and I met with Captain Sekgobela and other members.
Ukufika kwami wayebhizi ebrief amamember.
On my arrival, Captain Sekgobela was busy briefing other members.
Ngase sengiyajoyina.
I then joined them.
Ngaleso sikhathi wathi uthole information yokuthi ama suspect angene number 34 5th Street EQ.
At that stage, he informed us that he got information that says the suspect entered number 34 5th Street.
Was it First Street or First Road? Do you remember?
5th Street or 5th Road?
Yeah, Pambanisa, I think 5th Road.
I confused that, it's 5th Road.
Washo futhi ukuthi labasolo libahamba ngingayi I-20.
Also said that the suspects were traveling in a Hyundai I-20,
Wathi bebababili.
and he said it was two of them.
Kuleso sikhathi sasizilungiselela ukuthi siye kule address number 34.
At this stage, we're preparing ourselves to go to the address, number 34.
Wabese ethola i-call
He then received a call.
wabuya wathi i-call ayitholile ithi ama suspect lawa amabili angene number 34 aphuma ngemoto aseshintsha imoto.
Then came back to us after the call and informed us that he received information that says the two suspects that entered the premises in the Hyundai I-20 are now exiting the premises in a different car.
Wathi ama suspect aphuma a driver Mercedes Benz Viano emhlophe.
He said the suspects are exiting, driving out with a Mercedes-Benz Viano, white in color.
The registration yakhona wathi KK
And he said the registration of the Viano was KK
16
16
TP.
GB.
Yes. GP.
Sorry, did I hear you say? Yeah.
KK 16 TB.
B for Betty.
Yes. GP.
Wabese uyasho ukuthi utaske uKristo ukuthi alandele le moto asitshele ukuthi kuphi.
He then said that he had tasked Christo to follow the vehicle where it's going.
That's Mr. Shepard.
Christo means a shepherd,
Yebo kunjalo.
correct?
Sabese ngokusheshsha singene emotweni ukuze silandele uMr Shepard.
Then immediately entered into motor vehicles so we can follow Mr. Shepard.
Are you saying you as a group then?
Yebo kunjalo thina sasikubriefing.
That is correct, the members that were at the briefing.
So did he say follow the motor vehicle or follow Shepherd?
Sasilandele uShepard ngoba uShepard kwakuyena ophana ngedirection yokuthi imoto le ayilandelayo ihamba phi.
To follow Shepard, because Shepard was the one that was providing us direction of the car that he was following.
So what you meant is that you were making your way in that direction based on the directions you were given. Is that what you're saying?
Okushoyo ngokufishane ukuthi ke mina bengiya laphayana ngoba ngithole ama-direction avela kuShepherd ukuthi kufanele ukuthi nize ngabo.
Yebo kunjalo.
That is correct.
Saqhubeka ke saze safika ku 8 road khona eQ.
We proceeded up until we arrived at 8 Road in Q.
Ngaso sonke lesikhathi sasilandela thina sas-driver emva kwa Captain Sekgobela owayekhuluma nomnumzana uShepherd.
And at all times, we were following or we were driving behind Captain Sekgobela, who was following directions from Mr. Shepherd.